Hey viewers, a video after a long time, and I have opened this Honda Dio of mine. ये जो मेरी Honda Dio है जिसको 11 साल हो गए हैं and it has completed 81,000 kilometers. तो मैंने सोचा इसको पूरा मैंने I've just removed the engine from the chassis and doing a lot of other things, replacing the clutch system and other engine related things. Or one thing I wanted to call out in this video, the intent of making this video was, this is one reason why I always advocate fully synthetic engine oils. मैं हमेशा fully synthetic engine oils प्रेफर करता हूँ और लोगों को रेकमेंड करता हूँ, और उसका रीजन ये है कि इस गाड़ी को आप देखोगे ये 81,000 किलोमीटर हो चुकी है. For a 100cc engine, it is a long period, it's a long duration. And when I opened this tappet cover, I wanted to change the tappet का जो gasket होता है tappet cover का, वो मुझे change करना था. ये engine जब मैंने ये tappet cover खोला, I am literally amazed to see the condition of this engine. You don't see any kind of sludge build up, no tanning as well. मतलब जो generally tanning होता है वो tanning भी नहीं है. It is completely clean. If you look at the gear side, it's so clean. Even I am amazed. Actually, I should not be surprised because ऐसे engines मैंने without tanning बहुत देखे हैं when they have been maintained well. और यही एक reason है जो मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ why you should go for a fully synthetic oil, because उनमें वो जो additives डालते हैं, there are antioxidants, detergents, dispersants, anti-wear additives. So there are a lot of additives that are used in a fully synthetic oil. Besides the base oil being different, ये बाकी जो additives होते हैं वो आपके semi synthetics या mineral oil में होते नहीं हैं. And that is the reason not only fully synthetic oil keeps your engine smooth, it also gives that longevity to the engine. आपका engine this is the condition. It's a proof. ये गाड़ी जब से लिया, not even a single service like all other vehicles that I have, cars, bike, ये कभी सर्विस सेंटर में गया नहीं, कोई भी फर्स्ट फ्री सर्विस या सेकंड फ्री सर्विस के लिए. ये हमेशा मैंने ही मेंटेन किया है. एवरी 5,000 किलोमीटर्स आई चेंज द इंजन ऑयल. इसमें हमेशा शेल का फुली सिंथेटिक ऑयल गया है. और जस्ट द एयर फिल्टर, बेसिक थिंग्स, एयर फिल्टर every 10,000 kilometers, spark plug change, gearbox oil replace होता है 10,000 पे, and every 5,000 kilometers the engine oil has been replaced with a fully synthetic oil. And you can look at this condition. So if you want to keep your cars or bikes healthy, if you want to give the engine a great longevity, always go for fully synthetic lubricants, because वो थोड़ा सा cost उसका ज़्यादा होता है, but it keeps your engine running in a very healthy condition. So this is what I wanted to cover. आपने हमेशा देखा होगा कि मैं fully synthetic oils के बारे में ही बात करता हूँ और advocate उनको करता हूँ, and this is the reason. But this is a proof that why you should go for fully synthetic oils. Thanks for watching and happy riding.